Welcome back to Upper S Class Tech. Today we are going to unbox and set up the HP Inktank 315 printer. First time printer setup. Open the exterior door. Remove the tape and packing material from under the print head access door. Open the print head access door, and then remove the tape and packing material from inside the printer. Close the ink tank cover. Close the print head access door, and then close the exterior door. Fill the ink tanks. Open the ink tank lid, and then remove the plug from the black tank. Remove the cap from the black ink bottle, and then pull the seal tab to remove it. Carefully dispose of the seal. Replace and tighten the cap on the bottle, and then open the lid. Turn the bottle upside down, and then place the black ink bottle over the tank spout. Gently push the bottle down, and then let the ink drain into the ink tank. Fill the ink tank to the fill line on the tank. If the bottle does not start draining, remove and reinsert the bottle onto the tank spout. Do not squeeze the bottle. After the black ink tank is filled, pull the ink bottle straight up. Close the ink bottle lid, set the bottle upright, and then push the ink tank plug into its slot on the ink tank. Repeat the previous steps to fill the other ink tanks. Power cord to the rear of the printer, and then plug the other end into an electrical outlet. Turn on the printer. Step 3, install the print heads. Pull the orange plugs straight up to remove them from the tops of the print heads. Pull the orange plugs straight up to remove them from the tops of the print heads. With the printer turned on, open the exterior door, and then open the print head access door. The print head carriage moves to the center of the printer. With the printer turned on, open the exterior door, and then open the print head access door. The print head carriage moves to the center of the printer. Open the packages, and then remove the print heads. Slide the print head at a slight upward angle into the empty slot, and then gently push up on the print head until it snaps into place. Insert the black print head into the right slot. Insert the tricolor print head into the left slot. Close the blue carriage latch by pushing down firmly until the latch snaps into place. Close the print head access door. A blinking P displays on the control panel. Close the exterior door. Load paper into the input tray. Load plain white paper in the input tray after you install the print heads. Raise the input tray. Slide the paper width guide all the way to the left. Load plain white paper into the input tray, slide the stack of paper down until it stops, and then slide the paper width guide against the edge of the paper. Pull out the output tray, and then raise the tray extender. Align the print heads and prime the ink system. On the printer control panel, press and hold the resume button for 3 seconds. The alignment starts when the blinking P becomes a blinking A. The printer prints an alignment page. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page with the print side down on the right front corner of the scanner glass, and then close the scanner lid. Position it according to the guides around the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. On the control panel, press the Start Copy Color button. Alignment is complete when the A becomes a 0 on the control panel. Now the setup is done and the printer is ready for print. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.